Ahee, namangena kambe ka Master Xitsonga Analyst Channel. Yeah, I'm the guy like various topics about Shongi, and then in the King Damba, in the Shoma Joes, and then like J. John. Yeah, of course, as we all know, Shongarangan Wakomesa Albamiana, Joko Ranga, right? Yeah. Yeah, to be honest, I have to admit, I expect an album later in the link at the Riona. I have to admit, one guy is like a lang at all. Yeah, Mero not over so mental congratulations to her. Now, jealousy is if for an show, it an album, I'm shocked. Into all that. I was surprised. Look the Renshanan, but looked again Shanan. Gongo Sumera tractor Ram Munwamun. So, congratulations to her. Beef aside, album, I looked the Renkashanan. I mean, I can't bill. Marayu looked the Ren, and it's all about the people. Monayan. So, congratulations to her. Yeah, and then say, and of course, Yaka King Damba Kegul. Hey, so if you want to king Damba at the 12th, I may if I come so talk the album, I could call it Kaish Wona la see if you come album, Kataka, either by Kair available ring. Lang of come so we take Kair Connect 14 June as you can see, title track of Akushi wing go. Yeah, so I gave him a benefit of doubt, of course. Ni Manyan Marasena Shonok Nam 18. June, as you can see, I say, oh man, even though check even this last album or about the album, a conversation, my only at 4 June, the Africa conversation with I launch white 14th June, Sako, Zanko launch one show, and the military on the reason you it's because he is injured, and most awkward car injured, and the Swedish local cash type are injured already. So, so with a short clear, I think that by your hand, I could not tease a casual cash wool. Yeah, and then of course it I can't say I can show my jewels. Unfortunately, I'm going to go in and a video about this. Yeah, so if you want to post that posted 24th of May, as you can see, show my jewels. If I come so I am take a chance to me SABC 2, as you can see, and then the social similar info, the 6th June, as you can see. So not images there, not advert no more come out activity that and then YouTube that showed. So that yeah, say one gain as she's one gain as in guys visit to Makatungo and Gavatan. Congratulations to her. Go made this role, it's a very, very huge role. So congratulations to her. And then of course Henderson, yeah, like J. John. Yeah, what other John Casacata? It bong TV, rap. No, I never arca rap. Or Ryan, I never arca rap. Mara, low in Africa, almost Albamena, yes, Tonga, which was not expected, of course. Mara, somehow that album, if you get the Russian, and the show is discovered. Look, I almost resemble a chateau. I'm a feature in Brazil. I show no come no talent as stronger. And then let me decide. Let me just decide to release a stronger album. Then stare at them, as you can see. Very able music. Very discover whatever. As comment on number one, come so with the rention and myself. The rention and me. So I'm going to thank as a master song. Congratulations to him. As all over hang. And because I'm sure he was an underdog. He from below. And then I thought, boom. So I continue. Since I'm like stronger, I should do this. Should make a sense of Africa continue on the show. Yeah, look around guys, subscribe and subscribe. Kumbe shisiwana kumbe shifunzi iukatini kwangale kumbe masiyoni kumbe tinyanga niyo tiketela sha kumbe mushavisi kumbe murimi kwa prita famba shimwe katango kumbe mavate kumbe tindala jure tashita shimwe katango kumbe shikevenga kumbe mukongeli iluna wanga
ngemuzi yoni kumbe inyanga Shikembu sila ngele shoshi